Let's practice another example. Again, first call you have to make is, are we dealing with open left and right or open up and down? So if you take a look at it, it should be this structure. Y square minus x square, y square minus x square. So you should know it's open up and down. So make a note of it's gonna be open up and down hyperbola. B is gonna be 2, A is gonna be 1/3. Center will be minus 2, 1. So let's draw minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2. Center is minus 2, 1. You go right by A, which is 1/3, so I'll go right by somewhere over here, left by 1/3 somewhere over there. Up by 2 will go up by 2 somewhere over there, down by 2 somewhere over here. So your box will be very slim. Now let's draw the asymptote. Since it's open up and down, here's my hyperbola. Okay, so center was minus 2, 1. We went up by 2. So vertex here is minus 2, 3. We got vertex here minus 2, minus 1. Asymptote. So we got what? Y minus 1. So we got y minus 1 equal to plus minus b over a. B over a. So it's going to be 2 over 1/3. You got x plus 2 here. It's going to be x plus 2. 2 over 1/3 is same as 6. So make it pretty. That's your asymptote. Equation of the asymptote. Let's calculate c. C square equal to a square plus b square. So c square equal to 1/9 plus 4. C square equal to 1/9 plus 36 over 9, which gives you 37 over 9. So c is gonna be square root of 37 over 3. So foci will be located somewhere over here, somewhere over here, and that distance is gonna be c. So you start from center minus 2, so minus 2, 1. So you from here you go up by c, so it'll be 1 plus the square root of 37 over 3. This foci will be minus 2, 1 minus square root of 37 over 3 will be your foci. When your hyperbola didn't give you equation in standard form, you have to do completing square. And doing completing square in hyperbola is exactly identical as completing square in ellipse. So gather the term with x in one spot, y squared plus 100y, and the constant, move that to the other side. Now you want x squared, y squared to have coefficient as 1. So you will factor out 36, factor out minus 25 from,
So you do have a y square x square coefficient as 1 inside the parentheses. Now you have to add parenthesis square, and that should be half of this coefficient, which is 3, half of this coefficient, which is minus 2. You have to do exactly the same thing on the right hand side as well. So you're going to be adding 36 parenthesis 3 square minus 25 parenthesis minus 2 square. Now it's ready to do completing square. So 36x plus 3 square minus 25 y minus 2 square equal to, calculate all this value, it becomes 900. Do you remember the standard form, equation of standard form, right hand side is gonna be 1. So you want this 900 to be 1. The way you do that, divide by 900 everywhere. Then it becomes x plus 3 square over 25 minus y minus 2 square over 36 equal to 1. So completing square is done, and that's the same question as what we did previously. We already dealt with that question. I just want you to practice completing square portion. Okay, let's practice another example of completing square. Same steps. You want x term on one spot, constant on the other side. Now let's factor the coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square. So 36 x square plus, if you divide 144 by 36, you get 4x. So factor out minus 1 from y terms. Now you have to add the parenthesis square, add the parenthesis square. That's going to be half of this number, which is 2, half of this number, which is minus 1. Don't forget applying this change to right hand side as well. So we apply this, same thing right here. We apply that, same thing right here. Let's do completing square. 36 x plus 2 square minus y minus 1 square equal to, if you calculate all these values, it becomes minus 4. Again, standard form says your right hand side should be 1. So what? Divide by minus 4 everywhere to make the right hand side to be 1. Then it becomes minus 9 part 2 square plus y minus 1 square over 4 equal to 1. Okay, we have a minus here. Look at the standard form of the equation. We need a positive something square minus something square. Positive something square minus something square. Minus should be in the middle, not in the front. So I'm gonna swap this equation, the expression here. The over 1 doesn't do much here. You don't want 9 to be on the numerator, so you want to express that as this. And that is your standard form, and we dealt with that problem on previous page. So we already graphed it and got the asymptote and everything. I just wanted you to practice on completing square portion.